Hi, my name is Shivakumar and I'm BTech fourth year. And today we discussed about the power system operation on some topic. The main topic is economic load dispatch. The contents of the economic load dispatch are different constants in economic load dispatch and operating cost of the thermal plant, economic dispatch, regulating losses, and the dispatch including losses references. And the main introduction is power generation of our main aim to generate required the amount of the power within the minimum cost. Economic load dispatch means that generators real and reactive are allowed to be very within certain limits so that meet the particular load demand with minimum fuel cost. The allocation of the loads are based on some constants, different constants in economic load dispatch. Inequality constants, voltage constants. V minimum is greater than or minimum the as we shown in generation constants is means the running spare capacity constant. These constants are needed to be forced outbrain of the one or more alternators is used in the system and also unexpected load on the system. Transmission line contains flow of power through transmission line should less than the thermal capacity. Transformer taps. For the auto transformer, the T should be tapped on the O and the two winding transformer between O and OK. And equality constant real power is PP equal to the voltage at the power and 7 and the reactive power as shown in figure. Operating cost in thermal power factor. The main factors influencing generation at minimum cost are the operating efficiencies of generators, fuel cost, and transmission losses. The most efficient generator in the system does not guarantee minimum cost. It may be located in the area of which the minimum cost is higher. If the plant is located far from the load, the transmission line may be considerably higher, and hence the plant may be overly uneconomical. The input of the thermal plant is generally measured between barometric unit per hour, and the output is measured in megawatt. In all practical cases, the fuel cost of the generator can be represented in the quadratic function of the real fuel power generation. Ca equal to the alpha I plus beta I power input plus gamma I power input square in incremental fuel cost curve. By plotting the derivative of fuel cost curve versus the real power, we get the incremental fuel cost curve. Means D derivative of respect to Pi and the CI equal to the 2 gamma I and Pi plus beta I. The incremental fuel cost curve is measure of how costly it will be produced to the next increment of the power. Economic dispatch regulating losses. Its simplest economic dispatch problem and assume the system is only one bus with all generation and load connected to it. A cost function CI is assumed to be a known each function. The problem is find to the real power generation for the each such that objective function total production cost. It is defined as the CT equal to the summation of generating power plant I equal to 0 and CT. As we show here, the minimum cost is summation of input power is equal to the power demand. A typical approach augment constant into the objective function using the Diagonal multiplexer. The minimum constant unconstrained function is found at the point where the partial of the function variables are zero. First condition is given by the shown here. When laws are neglected, when laws are neglected with no generator limits for the most economic operation. All plants must be operated with equal incremental production cost. Production cost is the each found from the equation. Power put the sum lambda of the difference between lambda and the beta. The equation is known as the coordination equation. The way we can find the lambda by using this below equation. In an iterative technique starting with value of lambda and the process of continued until delta pi within this specified corresponding is lambda in calculated with the power mismatch of the calculation. Economic load dispatch includes losses. When the power is transmitted over the long distances, the transmission losses are the major factor effect on the output dispatch of generation. One common practice for including the effect of transmission line is to express the total transmission loss as a quadratic equation of the generator or outputs. The simplest quadratic equation is shown in the figure. The coefficient of beta I called the loss coefficient. The economic load dispatch problem is to minimize the overall generating cost CI, which the function is shown, and the minimum cost of the function in the point is shown below. And the term is known as the incremental fuel cost losses, and the second term is known as the where LI is known as the penalty factor. And the iteration method initially assume the lambda value, the find out the generation from each is P out PI equal to the lambda minus beta I by and the 2 gamma I plus lambda k and beta update the value of lambda. We can get the repeat the procedure and the new value lambda will and mismatch within the limit. So this is the dynamics load dispatch of the function. So thanks for giving me some opportunity.